In dynamic programming, next concept is knapsack problem. In greedy technique, we have solved with four different techniques, like using 1 unit at a time from each item, and then using highest profit item, using least weight item, then using the ratio of value by weight. Here this is the dynamic knapsack problem. There we were using ratio, that is fraction of an item can be included in the knapsack, but here in dynamic programming we are including the entire item or we are excluding the item. That is, it is called as 0 or 1 knapsack. That is, 0 means we are not including the item, 1 means we are including the item into the knapsack. Here we are not considering any fraction, that is half of the item, 1/3 of the item. We are not adding any fraction of the item here. Either we have to add it completely or we have to omit it completely. So to design dynamic programming algorithm for the knapsack problem, we have given with n items of known weights W1 to Wn, that is weight of each item, and then values, that is profit gained if we include that item, that is V1 to Vn, and the knapsack of capacity capital W. Find the most valuable subset of the item that fit into the knapsack. We assume here that all the weights and knapsack capacity are positive integers. So we need to have it's a dynamic programming, we need to have a recurrence relation for that. Here it's a recurrence relation, that is f of ij, that is value to be stored in the table, must be equal to maximum of f of I minus 1 comma j, that is previous item included, or include the new item vi plus f of I minus 1 comma j minus wi. J is the remaining capacity of the knapsack, wi is the weight of the item which we are trying to include, vi is the profit of the item which we are including. So condition is j minus wi must be greater than or equal to 0. That is, the item which we are going to include, that must fit into the knapsack. J minus wi must be equal to greater than or equal to 0. That is, if the capacity remaining is 5 kg, we can put only 5 kgs or less than that. That is, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Or for example, if the weight of the item we are going to include is 3 and the capacity remaining is 5, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That is positive integer. That means we can include that item into the knapsack. If we cannot include it, that is, if it is exceeding the capacity of the knapsack, that is, for example, capacity of the knapsack is 5 and we are trying to include the item with 6, then it is not possible to include. So j minus wi, 5 minus 6, it will give you minus 1. If it is negative value, don't include that item, keep the previous value as it is. And here for calculation purpose, we are using f of 0 comma j is equal to 0 and f of I comma 0 is equal to 0, that is for all the values of I and j greater than or equal to 0. That is, first row and first column we are taking it as 0. As we are using previous values here, if we don't have any previous value, then we are going to use the value 0 for the problem solving purpose. So this is the table for solving the knapsack problem using dynamic programming. So here we can notice first row and first column values are 0, and while constructing the each value in the table, it depends on the condition, that is, the item which we are going to include, if it fits into the knapsack, then only it will be included. If it doesn't fit, that is, if it gives a negative value, keep the previous value as it is, and the profit at the end, that is, solution will be here, that is last row and last column nw, f of nw will give you the profit at the end for the knapsack problem. Then let us consider this example, that is item 1, 2, 3 and 4. weight of each item is given 2132 and value of each item is given $12, $10, $12, $10, $20 and $15, and capacity of the knapsack is equal to 5. Here we can notice that is first row and first column in this first table, it is zeros. Here we have to get the values of the first value, that is 1, 1. F of 1, 1 is equal to maximum of in 1, 1 first value is I, second value is j, maximum of f of I minus 1, j, so it is f of 0, 1, value of item which we are going to include, it is 1, so v1 value is the value of the first item, that is 12 plus f of again I minus 1, j minus wi, f of 0, j value is 1 minus value of weight of the first item, it is 2, 1 minus 2, we are getting a negative value here. When we get the negative value, so don't include that, so include the previous value itself, that is f of 0, 1. F of 0, 1 is equal to 0. So f of 1, 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is 0. Here we can notice in the second table. So next value, f of 1, 2. F of 1, 2 is equal to maximum of f of I minus 1, that is 0. J value is 2, v1, that is 12, plus f of I minus 1, that is 0, value of j is 2 minus weight of first item which we are trying to include, it is also 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here the condition is true. Capacity of the knapsack is 2, and we can put the value also, we can place the value also, that is with weight 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So maximum of 0, f of 0, 2. What is 0, 2? 0, 2 is 0. Then f of 0, 0, 0, is also 0. So 12 plus 0 is 12. So among maximum of 0, 12, maximum is 12. So f of 1, 2 is equal to 12. Similarly, f of 1, 3 is maximum of f of 0, 3, 12 plus f of 0, value of j is 3 now. 3 minus v1, value of first item, that is 2, 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. 0, 1 is also 0. So 12 plus 0 is 0. Maximum of 0, 12, it is equal to 12. Then f of 1, 4, maximum of 0, 4, 12 plus f of 0, 4 minus 2, which is equal to maximum of 0, 12 plus 0, that is 12. Then f of 1, 5, which is equal to maximum of f of 0, 5, 12 plus f of 0, 5 minus 2, that is 0, 3, that is also 0, that is first row and first column is 0. So 12 plus 0, which is equal to 12. So this is the values that we have placed in the first row. Then for the second row, that is f of 2, 1. Now I value is 2, j value is 1, which is equal to maximum of I minus 1, that is 1, 2 minus 1, 1, j value is 1. Here we have to use vi, that is v2. v2 value means the value of second item, which is equal to 10. 10 plus f of 1, 1 minus 1, f of 1, 0 means it is 0. So among maximum of 0 and 10, value is 10. So 2, 1 is equal to 10. In the first table, 2, 1 is equal to 10. Then f of 2, 2 is equal to f of 1, 2, second value 10 plus f of 1, 2 minus 1, which is equal to maximum of 12. F of 1, 2. What is 1, 2? 1, 2 is 12. That is from the previous row. 1, 2 is 12. 12, 10 plus 0, which is equal to 10. So among 12 and 10, maximum is 12. So it is equal to 12. F of 2, 2 is equal to 12. Then f of 2, 3, which is equal to maximum of f of 1, 3, 10 plus f of 1, 3 minus 1, that is f of 1, 2 is 12. So maximum of 12, 10 plus 12 which is equal to 22, so maximum value is 22. So f of 2 3 is 22. Then f of 2 4 which is equal to maximum of 1 comma 4 comma 10 plus f of 1 comma 3 which is equal to 12 comma 22 again, so maximum is 22. Then f of 2 comma 5 which is equal to 1 comma 5 f of 1 comma 5 10 plus f of 1 comma 4 is 12 which is equal to 22. So maximum among 12 and 22 is equal to 22. That is the third row, row number 2. Then for row number 3, that is, you see the second table here, f of 3 comma 1 which is equal to maximum of f of 2 comma 1 comma value of the third item which is equal to 20 plus f of 2 comma 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means we are getting the negative value for the weight here, that is we are getting minus 2. That means we cannot put that item, it cannot fit into the knapsack. So don't include that, use the previous value. That is, the previous value means f of 2 comma 1. What is f of 2 comma 1? It is equal to 10. So f of 3 comma 1 is equal to 10. Then f of 3 comma 2, maximum of f of 2 comma 2 plus 2 comma 2 comma 20 plus f of 2 comma 2 minus 3. Here 2 is the value of j and 3 is the weight of third item, that is 3. 2 minus 3 is negative value again. So we cannot put this item into the knapsack, it is not possible in this position. So use the previous value, that is f of 2 2 which is equal to 12. So f of 3 2 is also 12. Then f of 3 3, maximum of f of 2 comma 3 comma 20 plus f of 2 comma 3 minus 3. Now 3 minus 3 is the positive value, it's 0. So we can place the new value which is equal to maximum of 22 comma 20 plus 0. So maximum is 22. So f of 3 3 is 22. Then f of 3 4 which is equal to maximum of f of 2 comma 4 comma 20 plus f of 2 comma 4 minus 3. Again it's a positive value, so we can place the value. So maximum of 22 comma 20 plus 10 which is equal to 30. So 30 is the maximum value. F of 3 comma 4 is 30. Then f of 3 comma 5 which is equal to maximum of 2 comma 5 comma 20 plus f of 2 comma 5 minus 3. So we can place this value. So maximum of 22 comma 20 plus 12 which is equal to 32. So maximum value is 32. So f of 3 comma 5 is 32. So that is the third row or fourth row. Row number is 3. Then for the last row, f of 4 comma 1, I value is 4, j value is 1. So which is equal to maximum of f of 3 comma 1 comma fourth item value is 15. 15 plus f of 3 comma 1 minus, that is 1 is value of j minus weight of fourth item is equal to 2. So 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. We are getting a negative value. We cannot place this in the knapsack. It is not possible. So consider the previous value. Previous value is f of 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is equal to 10. So f of 4 comma 1 is 10. Then f of 4 comma 2 which is equal to maximum of f of 3 comma 2 comma 15 plus f of 3 comma 2 minus 2. Now it is 0. It's a positive value. So we can place the new value. So maximum of 12 comma 15 plus 0. So maximum is 15. So f of 4 comma 2 is 15. F of 4 comma 3, maximum of f of 3 comma 3 comma 15 plus f of 3 comma 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Then which is equal to maximum of 22 comma 15 plus 10. Maximum is 25. So f of 4 comma 3 is 25. Then f of 4 comma 4 which is equal to maximum of f of 3 comma 4 comma 15 plus f of 3 comma 2 which is equal to maximum of 30 comma 15 plus 12 which is equal to 27. Among 30 and 27, 30 is the maximum. So f of 4 comma 4 is 30. Then f of 4 comma 5, this is the last value and it is the answer for the solution. F of 4 comma 5 is equal to maximum of f of 3 comma 5 comma 15 plus f of 3 comma 5 minus 2, that is 3 comma 3 which is equal to maximum of 32 comma 15 plus 22, that is 37. Among 32 and 37, maximum is 37. That is the answer. That is f of 4 5 is the answer for the dynamic knapsack problem for the given values. Now by looking at the dynamic programming table which we have computed, we have to check which items are included into the knapsack. That is, we know the total profit of the knapsack with the items included, that is 37 for this problem, but we don't know which items are included. But when we trace back using the that is in the table constructed, we will come to know that which are the items that is included in the knapsack. So maximum value is f of 4, 5, where 4 is the item number and 5 is the capacity of the knapsack, so which is equal to 37. So trace it back, consider the entire knapsack is empty, so capacity of the knapsack is 5. So we'll check the column number. Here we can notice column number is 5, here also it is 5. So in the same column you trace back, so f of 4, 5 and check f of 3, 5. f of 4, 5 is 37, f of 3, 5 is 32. So 37 is greater than 32. So item 4 is included into the knapsack. If item 4 is included in the knapsack, the remaining capacity of the knapsack is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. 5 was the capacity of the knapsack initially. We have included the fourth item, which is having weight 2. So 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. 3 is remaining capacity now. Now check in the column 3. So 4 is included. Check in the column 3 and move back to the previous value, that is 3, 3 and 2, 3 we have to check. 3, 3, f of 3, 3. 3, 3 is 30. F of 3, 3 is 22 and f of 2, 3 is also 22. That these two values are equal. So item 3 is not included in the optimal solution. Then go back in the same column, that is check 2, 3 and 1, 3. 2, 3 is 22 and 1, 3 is 12. 22 is greater than 12. So item 2 is included in the knapsack. Item 2 capacity, item 2 weight is 1. Capacity of the knapsack remaining was 3. So 3 minus 1, now capacity of the knapsack remaining is 2. Now check in the column number 2. So here we have to check 1, 2 and 0, 2 now. 1, 2 value is 12. 0, 2 value is 0. 12 is greater than 0. That means item 1 is included in the knapsack. So item 1, item 2 and item 4 are included in the knapsack. This is dynamic programming solution for the knapsack problem.